Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Mozilla Firefox account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer or mobile device. Check that you have a stable internet connection before continuing. Look at the top right corner of Firefox for the profile icon or the menu button. On Windows or Linux, click the three-line menu button to open the main menu. On Mac, you can also open the menu from the top bar or use the three-line menu button. In the menu, find and click Sign in to Firefox. If you already see your email or account name, you may already be signed in. If you are not signed in, a sign-in page or pop-up will appear. Click the email field and type the email address linked to your Mozilla account. Click Continue to move to the password step. Click the password field and type your Mozilla account password carefully. Double-check for typing mistakes like extra spaces or wrong capitalization. Click Sign in to complete the login. If you enabled two-step authentication, look for the code request on the screen. Open your Authenticator app or check your backup codes to get the verification code. Enter the verification code into Firefox and confirm to proceed. If Firefox asks to save your password, choose your preferred option. Wait a few seconds while Firefox connects and starts syncing your data. To confirm you are logged in, open the menu and look for your account email or name. Click your account name to open sync settings if you want to manage what is synced. Make sure sync is turned on for bookmarks, passwords, history, and tabs if you need them. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the sign-in screen. Follow the email reset link from Mozilla and create a new password. Return to Firefox and sign in again using your updated password. If the sign-in page does not load, try disabling VPN or checking your firewall settings. If you still cannot sign in, update Firefox to the latest version from the Help menu. As a final check, restart Firefox and repeat the sign-in steps once more. After signing in, verify your bookmarks and save passwords are appearing as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.